In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend background in Canva Stretch Background. This is perfect when you need a wider banner, a taller thumbnail, or extra breathing room around a subject without cropping anything important. We'll use Canva's Magic Expand so the edges of your image grow naturally with new AI-generated background that blends right in. Start by opening your design and clicking the image you want to extend. Make sure you actually have the image selected. Look for the selection outline around it so the right editing tools appear. A quick tip before you begin, consider duplicating your page so you always have the original to compare against as you experiment. With the image selected, go to the top toolbar and choose Edit Photo or Edit Image, depending on what your interface shows. This opens the editing panel. Find Magic Studio, then select Magic Expand. You'll see controls for how you want to grow the canvas and where the new background should appear. Next, choose how much space you want to add. If you already know the final shape you need, pick a preset aspect ratio, such as whole page, to push the image out to the edges of your design. This is great for quickly filling your entire canvas while keeping your subject in place. If you prefer a custom shape, switch to freeform and drag the corners or edges outward to define the new area. Think about composition here. Leave room on the side where you plan to place text, or expand upward if you want a cleaner header space. For best results, expand gradually and keep the key subject centered so the AI has clear context for what to extend. When your expanded area looks right, click Magic Expand and let Canva do the heavy lifting. It will analyze the image and generate new background to fill the space you created. Give it a moment to process, then review the edges where old meets new. Zoom in to check for repeating patterns, lighting mismatches, or any odd artifacts. If something looks off, run Magic Expand again to get a fresh variation, or try a smaller expansion so the algorithm has an easier time matching textures like sky, grass, or walls. Complex patterns and fine details often blend better in a couple of measured passes. That's all it takes. Thanks for watching.